Well, COVID booster shots may be available within days. Today, the FDA authorized updated booster shots from Moderna and from Pfizer. Now, these are boosters that are designed to specifically target the Omicron subvariants that are making up 90% of the COVID cases right now. We want to bring in our expert for some context here. Dr. Mallika Marshall joins us. And Doctor, we should be down this road now many times, but remind us, what has to happen before these shots do become available?
That's right. I've explained this process before, but sometimes we need a reminder. So an expert panel of advisors to the CDC will meet tomorrow to discuss the data that's currently available on these updated boosters and make formal recommendations on whether and how they should be distributed to the public. Now, assuming they vote favorably, the CDC director will have to formally sign off. If that happens, which she's likely to do rather quickly, these boosters could become available within the next week or so, even within a few days possibly.
And usually there is a schedule with this. Who'd be eligible for these boosters?
So right now it's expected that only people who've received at least 2 prior shots will be eligible, and only those who are at least 2 months out from their last vaccine or booster. The Pfizer formulation would be available for people 12 and up, Moderna for people 18 and older.
You know, I think a lot of us sort of play that game, like, do we get it now, do we get it later? Why, doctor, is it so important for those people who are eligible to go out and get one of these boosters as soon as possible?
Well, you know, even those of us who are fully vaccinated and have received 1 or even 2 boosters are not optimally protected against getting infected with the Omicron variant, even though we're still well protected from severe illness. But preliminary data on these new formulated boosters have shown that they can trigger a strong antibody response not only to the original coronavirus, but to the Omicron subvariants, which have been responsible for the vast majority of cases in recent months. So if we can immunize millions of Americans in the coming weeks, we might be able to reduce the number of infections and help curb the surge in cases that we really do expect this winter.
And that we hope does not happen. Dr. Mallika Marshall, thank you so much.